I love succulents and you do too. They're so beautiful, fun and new. The gift that keeps on giving on and on. So watch my videos, we'll all have fun. Hey guys, so here is my project for today, and today I will tell you about these two planters that are rolling. The reason why it's rolling is because if there's too much sun on one side of the garden, I can move it somewhere else, you know, depending on what time of year it is. So my husband made this planters. It's kind of waist level, so it's easier on the back, and I have two of them, and I'm going to decorate something in the front. I don't know what yet, but I will be doing something. But right now, because I have so many of those little tiny plants over there, and I would just want to propagate them a lot, I'm gonna put them in this planter right here. So the first thing I did is I put my soil in there. I'm gonna add some of this pea gravel in so that it can have really good drainage, and then I will add some I don't know, maybe some other lava rocks, maybe even the I can never remember the name of this stuff. This pumice, that, and put that in. Plus, I'm going to first of all spray it with my pesticide again, and I have some left over from yesterday because I sprayed two yesterday, and yeah, that's it. Give it some more room because I have a pool and I can't use all this. I tried to claim it, but my husband said no. So I'm good with that. And so this is going to be my roll away garden, or my roll around garden. And I think it's gonna be cool. So I'm gonna put this gravel and the pumice in there and see what happens, and make sure that I have all the tall ones in the back and the middle growers in the middle, and then the little echeverias in the front. So we'll see what we come up with. So I decided to just fill it halfway because after I plant the succulents in, I'm going to fill it with rocks like around the plants. So also once the soil settles down, I can add some more, and I don't really want anything to grow over spilling over unless it's a spiller. But I think that this is enough soil. I think there's about at least 6 inches of soil in there anyway, and it's pretty big area to plant, so there's going to be room for the roots to grow, and succulents like to grow close to each other, so that's why I decided to just do it this way, not too deep. Okay, so I'm now done with this. So I'm going to start to plant everything that I need to plant in there. And I left some about 3-4 inches from the top because I know it's going to start doing this, like growing this way. This is what I have so far, and I actually am running out of plants to put in, but I'm trying to put them all like tight with each other so that when it starts growing big, they're all gonna be like packed in. It's gonna be so beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys. So here we are. This is today. Today is September 18th, and look at this beautiful planter right now. I ran out of rocks, so I'm just like winging it. Wing the wing. Who cares? Pretty soon, oh no. Pretty soon this is going to be filled, and don't worry about that. That has been sprayed the other day, so those are already dead mealybugs. They're dead mealybugs, so. But here, look, it's already full almost, and fat. Look at my Shrek, is so fat. The Ioniums are awesome. And yeah, I have another one right there that still needs to be planted. So I'm gonna do that in the fall because I know that by spring it's already going to be full. So right now it has nothing in it. And as always, thank you for watching. XOXO. Till next time. Bye.